All right, we're in the area for Mako. You have a grill and bar for sharks, and then they have Mako up ahead. New guy here. It looks like you can feed a shark as well. Wow. All right, we are on Mako. We're on the line for Mako, and it's only 5 minutes. Look, nobody here. This is so awesome. And here it goes. Wow, it looks so smooth. That's one thing this dude likes, is smooth roller coasters. I don't like the woodies, they're too bouncy. And even Kraken, as fun as Kraken was, it was very like bounce around. But it was awesome. Now this one is a hyper coaster. I'm excited to ride it. Nobody in line. Wow. Here we go. Uh-oh. We're going. Whee! Going right there. Oh, you can see the convention center, downtown Orlando, in the top. Oh my God. Holy crap. Woo! Ah! Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, that was intense. Wow.